Thank you, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you web developer tools in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case, you will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So here it is. Here lots of option I have opened as because I have needed something that I will forget in few minutes later. That's why I open it. Now we will go to theme. Bar icon, this is the called bar icon, and Google have yes, Google Chrome have, let's check what have dot icon. Hopefully see the dot icon, and Mozilla Firefox have the bar icon. So click here, and here we will search it what more tools, as because in between more tools there have the web developer tools that we want. So when we click this, see here the lots of web development tools. Here the inspector, see here, this is the what, this is the pick an element from the page, or you can press from the Ctrl plus Shift plus C from the keyboard, and when you click this and see, just we keep the mouse, any kinds of thing, means any kinds of icon, any kinds of written things. See Firefox, so where have it had been written, this thing, this is the click, see, what have, this is the fake editable input class. Here the tab index one, see, and again we will go to the this this is the hidden, what have there again we will go to the another thing. So here the Facebook icon, see, this is the icon side, and here I've written the Facebook background image, and this is the link and pic. See, now we will go to where, so click here, see this thing here, rapid text. See, if you write another thing, Apple, the thing has been changed. Before it has, see here, this thing has been changed, but it has not been working, as because this is the static page which has handled the Mozilla Firefox supporting office or things. When you create some website or web page, in that time ownership own, then it will work. So in this way we can go to the things, and another way we can go to the right button here, the also inspection page. See, also we can get the flavor or this the thing. So in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.